Welcome to Physical Education. I am Mrs. Mariani.
And I'm Mr. Williams.
We are hoping to give you some important insight on how physical education will look this school year. As you are already aware, your child will be responsible for in-class participation as well as at-home assignments. Your child's at-home assignments will be given on Google Classroom, Seesaw, and Zoom to start. As the year progresses, we will add additional platforms.
For the hybrid students and parents, the easiest way to remember your child's PE days is to know what letter day they have PE. What we've learned is that every letter A, C, and E day is always a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Also, every B, D, and F day is always a Thursday or a Friday. Depending if your child is a Husky or Pride student will determine which day they have in-person PE or they have an at-home assignment. Also, for grades K through 2, please check the assignment heading as they are directed specifically for the Husky, Pride, or all virtual students. Please only complete the assignments for your cohort.
For the 100% virtual students, these are the students we never see in person. Your at-home assignments will always be assigned on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please also be aware that we do not use webcams in PE, so there will be no live streaming into physical education classes.
What your child needs for PE are sneakers, clothing that they can move around in and feel comfortable in, a water bottle, a growth mindset, a Chromebook, iPad, or other device. Those are specifically for their at-home assignments.
If you need technology support, please contact the Technical Support Help Desk. They are best equipped to assist you and troubleshoot your issues.
Our curriculum is basically divided into a grade K2 and a grade 3-5 curriculum. In grades K through 2, we introduce basic locomotor and manipulative skills that get more difficult physically and cognitively each year. As the students enter 3rd grade, we teach more refined or complex skills and concepts, and we gradually incorporate those skills and concepts into different games and activities.
Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to a great school year.